Hello everyone, my name is Ali Begawan. I am delighted to have this opportunity to introduce myself today. I am 24 years old and I have done a bachelor's from the University of Lahore with a degree of computer sciences. My first job was a computer science teacher at different academies. I teach them computer sciences from the matriculation level to BSc level, such as C language or C++ language, databases, and different types of flowcharts, etc. After completing of my degree, I started my software house where I was the owner, and I have 12 members team where I provide different types of services like web development, Android development, and graphic designing, and including video editing. So after this, I have done internship at OSIS Infobird as web designer and development. It was a Indian-based company, so it was a remote-based internship. So its duration was 3 months. I learned so much at there. I developed many websites like the first of all the portfolio website, the temperature converter website like Celsius to Fahrenheit and different types of temperatures. I develop a landing page website and e-commerce website portfolio. Like currently, I am Munstack training at Pure Logics, where I am surrounded by experienced mentors who inspired me and guided me to become a good software developer. The Munstack stand for MongoDB, ExpressJS, Node.js, and React.js. So, if I talk about my hobbies, the number one is swimming. Secondly, I like cricket. I play cricket from a childhood. Now I am a right-hand fast bowler. So the third one hobby is software development. Yeah, software development is my hobby. I develop many type of softwares like static website, dynamic websites, and different types of e-commerce website, business website, portfolio websites, and yeah, it's my hobby. Okay, if we talk about my struggle, as I already I said, I start my own software house after completing of my bachelor's. It was a challenging task for me to start a new startup, like a new software house in the industry. First of all, I find the location, infrastructure, and then I develop my 12 members of team. So it was a difficult task. There are also many difficulties like administrative difficulties, governmental level difficulties I faced there. After 2 or 3 months, I feel I don't have that level of skills that I need to run a software house. I decided to temporarily close this setup. After 4 months of work, I temporarily closed the setup, my software house. So right now I am a Munstack trainee at Pure Logics, developing my skills, technical skills and soft skills to run my software house in future. In the last, I want to thank you all of you to listen me. Thanks.